Hey, what's up, everybody out there in YouTube land? Elric Ferris, editor-in-chief for once again the Motherboards.org YouTube channel, doing another unboxing for you folks out there. A lot of you like unboxings. For you who don't like unboxings, please click away and go away now. That way I don't have to hear any of your crazy comments. But for those of you who like unboxings, welcome to the unboxing of the ASUS DirectCU2 ASUS 6970. Now, this is their completely redesigned card than the standard card that you'd see from anybody else on the market. All the cooling features and everything in this card are completely redesigned and different than any other cards you're going to see on the market. ASUS has their DirectCU2, which means direct contact with the copper. This allows for a much better cooling solution, allowing for better overclocking, cooling, and allows your card to run 2.5 times as long as it normally would. But for now, let's jump right in and let's see what's inside this box. We'll see the front of the box right now, and we'll spin around, let you diehards see the back of the box. Go ahead and pop it open. There's little tabs here on the side. Maybe I'll tilt it up like this, get a little better thing here. No knife today on this. Just rely on manpower, pure manpower alone to open this box, lads. All right, there we got the internal box. Get out the measuring tape. Bust open the top right here. On the top, we're going to have the speed setup guide. Speed setup guides for those people who just never done this before and want to check it out and know how to do it. Inside of here, we're going to have the driver CD, all the VGA drivers, all that good stuff. And underneath here, we'll pop the top off. We have a few more things down in here I'll dig out. Is that all we got? Okay. We have the 2-pin, the 2 6-pin to the single 8-pin right here connector. We have the crossfire bridge connector. And then we have the HDMI to standard DVI connector here. That's basically all there is for all that stuff. Go ahead and get that out of the way. Bring out the card. Like I said before, the DirectCU card offers 20% better cooling. Get all this stuff out of the way here. Go ahead and pull this out. Now, this is by far the biggest card I've ever yet to see on the market. Let's get the measuring. See this thing from front to back. Wow, this thing is 11.5 inches long. Really big card. Height-wise, the card is about 5 inches high. Now, the thing that really differentiates this thing on size, though, is how wide it is. Here's the width. This card is wider than any other card. This card is 2.5 inches wide. As far as centimeters go, guys, they'll all be behind me on the screens for you guys who need to see centimeters. We respect you, and we're doing it that way for you. So we're going to start off at the very top of the card. We're taking a look at it. You can see all the way across the top, it features 2 fans all the way across the top, not the cop, but all the way across the top, you see the DirectCU. You see all this giant stuff here. These are 2 fans. Underneath it, there's a giant radiating fan underneath it with copper. And then we're going to show you the bottom of it right here. This is where the PCI interface goes. The array look on this card is very nice as well. It features very different stuff than traditional. We have 4 of the display ports and then 2 DVIs. You can use up to 6-port monitor technology for Eyefinity all off of one card. Really cool stuff from ASUS here. On the top, we have the crossfire fingers. You can see there are 2 of them. That means that you can use these cards in a quad crossfire setup for really a ballsy setup. All in all, really good stuff. The DirectCU cards are so unique in the way that they're designed. They're very big, and I must point out right now, though, that these cards will probably only work in ASUS motherboards. I know that when we were testing them, we found out that a few of the boards that we had, we could not use the card in because it would actually bump up against it. I'll go over that more in the full review. But for power requirements, you can see that there are 2 8-pin powers right here. That's 150 watts each, and then an additional 75 that's going to be required in the PCI. So right off the bat, you're going to have 375 watts of power required for this card. Pretty high stuff. So this is the unboxing. Once I'm going to set this stuff down, you guys see the card. Here's all the stuff that comes inside the box. Thanks for watching. This was the unboxing of the ASUS HD 6970 DirectCU2 video card. See you guys back here for the full review.